This is Sandra. Welcome back to today's video, to my channel. I am going to do an unboxing. I literally just received this package in the mail today. Now, can you all guess what's in this package? Let's open it and find out. I love this packaging too, by the way. It is amazing. Alright, this is what it looks like. Isn't that so cool? I love Beautylicious packaging. Literally, this product was restocked on the 26th. It was sent out on the 26th, and I got it literally 2 days later. And this came from the States. It's actually free shipping on this order. All the duties and the taxes are included in the price of the product, and you don't have to pay anything when it comes to your door. Okay, so now we have this little paper wrapped package. And I like this paper. I'm going to keep this for my bullet journaling. I never really thought to keep it before, but I like the idea of having like the brown paper. Alright. Surprise. And there's lots of bubble wrap for my son to start popping. Look what I have for you, Connor. Some bubble wrap. You can have it. No, I'm not pausing it. We're rolling, baby. Okay, here, you have this. Here is the Jawbreaker palette by Jeffree Star, and here is the mini breaker. Let's do the mini one first. The reason I have the two is because it was actually cheaper. In the long run, I would save $20 if I got both of them. So, oh, it's so pretty. So here is the large Jawbreaker palette. And now there are lots of shadows in this palette. There are 24 instead of the original 18 in the other 3 palettes that I have. And I like this lid because it actually folds right over. So that's really convenient. I love that. And look, there's a yellow. Guess what, you guys? I can do my bright yellow look that I was dying to do forever. Oh, I love that yellow and green. So I wasn't going to actually use eyeshadow today, but because I got this in the mail, I kind of have to. There's not really a color that matches my shirt because I'm wearing this, like, I'll show you my boobs. My army green shirt with my tigers on it. But I guess we're just going to dive in and we're going to use it because why the heck not? I got this. I'm so excited to use it. I just don't want this tutorial to be, like, too long, especially because of this unboxing. And I also got this mystery bag. I don't know what's in here, but I love these bags because they hold stuff, and you can actually use this in your purse just to kind of put little nifty little things in there. Ooh, what kind of present did they send me? Okay, it's called a Reeb or Ribe, and well, it looks like it's for hair. So, Repair and Restore shampoo and Repair and Restore conditioner, and it says Gold Lust. So I'll try it. We'll see. I like how they send a sample every time they send a product or you purchase something from them. Yeah, I love Beautylicious. Like their customer service. I didn't have to call them even, but if I did, I'm sure they'd be freaking amazing. So just to throw that out there. So I'm going to start by priming. And I'm actually going to use my Too Faced Primed and Poreless because my skin is nice and moisturized, and this stuff is nice and soft. I don't know about you, like maybe my product is old, but my Smashbox, the purple one, the pore minimizing, it actually feels like it comes out really hard and dry and chunky, and you can still like smush it between your fingers and apply it, but if I don't catch it fast enough, it falls on the floor. It's really weird. So maybe it's just like old. I don't know. But it was just like a smaller size that I got as a sample. I think I used my points from Sephora, and I think I can throw that one out and just go ahead and use my large one now. Because of course I have a duplicate. That stuff is amazing. And also eventually I want to get the, actually, you know what? I was going to say I wanted to get the Benefit Pore Filling Primer, but I really have my eye on that Winky Lux primer because that stuff is apparently amazing, and it comes in a little jar, kind of like the Tarte primer. Like there's a little jar one. But also that Becca Skin Love Brighten and Blur Primer. I still have my eye on that, so that'll probably be my next 2 primer purchases. So I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay Naked Skin Weightless Ultra Definition Liquid Makeup in 5. Shake her up. There's actually, okay, I'm not going to say the word, but there's the shade. I'm just going to show you guys, because if I say it on my channel, well, I don't know, like, there's a lot of other people that swear on the channel, but this is the shade Fuck right here. You can see it for yourself. I'm not swearing, I promise. But, yeah, that's crazy. I want to use that shade. It's like this fluorescent. It's kind of like a salmon color, but like a fluorescent salmon color. And salmon goes really, really nice with like army green. Or I guess green in general. But army green. Or olive green, I guess. That too. Okay, so I'm not really going to focus. Like, I'm pretty much blended out here. And I'm just going to go in with my e.l.f. color correcting stick. I am using my Urban Decay Weightless concealer as well, and because it doesn't have as good of coverage as some of my other concealers, I'm going to just pop this on first, and then we don't have to worry about the dark under eye circles. So I'm not really blending it out here, I'm just tapping it in, and then we'll just pop concealer right over top. I feel like I have a hair on my chin and it's so itchy. Okay, I'm not even blending it out. You can still see like big parts where it's on there on my eye, but I don't care. I don't care. Okay, so this is the shade Medium Light Warm. I think this is almost gone actually. This is, I think I purchased this concealer before I actually went ahead and got the foundation. But I like using like products together. I do have a Too Faced Radiant Concealer too, and I haven't used that one in a while. Maybe I'll use that one the next time I do my makeup. Actually, let's see what color it is. Yeah, it's right here. I haven't used this stuff in forever. So this is light medium. I'm actually going to use this for contouring and see how bright it is. Not contouring, brightening, highlighting, whatever. You guys all know what I mean. It looks a little brighter. Let's try it. Could you imagine if I went out like this? Surprise! Okay, let's like tap this out first because it's brighter. It's not really that much brighter. It kind of blends into my skin, really. That's okay. We're going for a natural look today. I'm going to the mall. Did you guys ever watch that show, How I Met Your Mother? I love that show. I'm so sad that I finished it. I think I watched it like 3 times after on. I didn't buy all the seasons. I think I watched it on Netflix, if I'm not mistaken. But anyway, Robin is like, she's a teenage pop star and she's trying to hide it from everybody. But they find it, they find the videos, and it's like, let's go to the mall today. That's all the singing you're going to get me today.
Mall today.
Let's go to the mall today. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in Fair Light 10. I haven't really used this lately either. And this stuff is a really nice dupe. It actually is very similar to the Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Translucent Setting Powder. And that one just blends into the skin so nicely. Let's bake today. Why not? I don't do this very often. I feel like I just want to use my sponge to like powder everywhere. Okay, so that's all the powder I'm going to use, and I'll just like leave that on there until my eyeshadow is done, I think. So let's contour first. I'm going to use my Tarte Park F Princess using my F40 Large Angled Contour. Oh, and the expensive brush brand I was talking about before is Wayne Goss. So I was kind of checking him out on YouTube, and he has videos as well. So I'm going to be looking more into his products and see what he has. I'm just going to lightly contour today. I don't really want to do a whole bunch of makeup. I'll just do like a summer eye look with these new shadows. So excited. Let's blush, you guys. I'm using my Tarte Bliss Blush Palette. It's a tongue twister. I'm just going to swirl it in all the colors using my F10 with my Sigma, of course. Smile. Oh, the brush is still wet. I'm just going to like swatch it on because I forgot to wash my brushes. So now I'll quickly we're going to do highlight after everything is done. So I'm going to quickly go off camera and do eyebrows. We'll be right back. Alright, lashes are on. I didn't have that much trouble with them today. Sometimes it is one of those days, and today wasn't, so I'm happy. So I'm going to line my lips with my Milani 09 Spice Color Statement Lip Liner. So I outlined them just a little bit, but not so much that they look completely unnatural. And I'm going to, whoops, I'm going to fill them in with my Too Faced Got Peach lipstick. So this is from the Peach Perfect collection. I really like this container. It's really, really heavy. So it's like a white body with like a gold bottom piece, and it's got peach, so it's like a peachy color that matches the FUCK shade, kind of. Let's go ahead and put it on. It is a matte or a comfort matte lipstick. I think I use this in each of my peach looks. I'm not sure. I'll actually link those videos for you here right now too if you're interested. One is like the very first video, one of the very first videos I ever did, and it was a very light peach look, and then the last one was more like a smoky date night peach look, which is really pretty, by the way. I kind of want to top it with a pink gloss just to go with the pink eye look. I think having like a pink lip gloss. Let's see what I got. I've got a whole bunch of different shades, but I think Kimberly or Erica would be really pretty. Just see what it looks like with pink gloss on top. Just a little bit. I think that looks really cool. I mean, it doesn't really give it that much of a change, but it's a little shiny and sparkly instead of like just like this matte peach look. So what do you guys think? Like, I know I did a pink look. I've done so many pink looks, but I love that kind of salmon color with the dark brown, and I will be doing lots of looks with these shades, you guys. Like, don't forget, look how many beautiful colors there are. I mean, there's a lot of, in the main palette, for instance, there are a lot of pastel colors, which is really cool. Especially with my skin, I think pastel would look really good on darker skin. It's very vivid and bright, but there are also some really cool sparkly shades. Like, there's a lot you could pull off. Like, these ones down in the corner are all shimmer. This lemon drop with orange juice and what? I think that would be cool. So we're going to have some fun. So keep tuned, which means you need to hit that bell button if you want to be notified when I post videos for future Jawbreaker looks. And also click the like button if you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. It will help support me, and we will see you guys very soon with more makeup looks. Take care.